Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ranger clutch. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a transmission jack, various sockets and wrenches. Remember to disconnect the battery's negative terminal and drain the transmission fluid. Safely lift your truck using a floor jack and place it securely on jack stands, ensuring stability before proceeding. Next, you'll need to remove the driveshaft and the shifter assembly from inside the cab. Disconnect all electrical connectors and the hydraulic clutch line from the transmission. Support the transmission with a jack, then unbolt it from the engine block. Carefully lower the transmission, ensuring it clears all components and move it out of the way. Now, with the transmission out, remove the old pressure plate and clutch disc from the flywheel. Inspect the flywheel for any hot spots or excessive wear. It might need resurfacing or replacement. Install the new pilot bearing into the crankshaft and the new throwout bearing onto the clutch fork. Carefully align and mount the new clutch disc and pressure plate. Finally, carefully lift and reinstall the transmission, ensuring proper alignment with the engine. Reconnect all electrical connectors, the hydraulic clutch line, and the driveshaft. Refill the transmission with the specified amount and type of fluid. Once everything is reassembled, start the engine and test the new clutch for smooth engagement and disengagement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.